Hello children, good evening. Again I'm back with a new video that is of I just continuing with this is the second part of Himalayan mountains or northern mountains you can say. Today I will going to teach you can able to find it out from here also Himalayas divisions according to the regions. That day I have told according to the longitudinal divisions how many portions Himalaya has been divided to. Himalaya according to the longitudinal divisions has been divided into three parts. What are they? According to height it will be of Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik, right? But here according to the children don't mix it up, otherwise the questions are coming generally like this way, according to the regions, according to the divisions of Himalaya, according to the regions divisions of Himalaya, according to the longitudinal altitude. Oh, okay. So that was I have already been explained, but this is I'm explaining today only. Okay, according to the regions, Himalayan has been divided into how many portions? There will be in 4 divisions. You can see it from my board also. How first of all, how it has been demarcated, how it has been divided according to the rivers. It has been demarcated. That's why I have mentioned Himalaya has been located from the Indus to Brahmaputra river. Okay, so here I will tell you what are the rivers name, how you could you remind that. First division will be the Punjab Himalaya or Kashmir Himalaya. Why I am telling you? Because some parts of Punjab, some parts of Kashmir it has been included over there. How? Because Indus river to Satluj river, from there to here there will be divisions and there will be paths are there. That's why from the river Indus to river Satluj, that many portion will be coming under this Punjab or Kashmir Himalaya. According to the region, it has been named like this way. It can be Punjab, it can be Kashmir also. Both the correct options are there. Second, I will tell you that is of Kumaon Himalaya. Kumaon Himalaya is what? Kumaon Himalaya after Satluj to Kali river. Satluj to Kali river, that many portions has been coming under in this Kumaon Himalaya. Third division is what? Third division is Nepal Himalaya. Nepal Himalaya is what? Nepal Himalaya definitely it will be consist of the Nepal, the country, and it will be located from Nepal like Kali river to Teesta river. Teesta river is also located in the Darjeeling Sikkim area, so that's why West Bengal it has been located over there, right? And fourth division is what? That is of Assam Himalaya. Definitely Assam Himalaya consists of Assam and surrounding some states also, so that's why we will divide from Teesta to Dihang. Dihang children, you have already known it that this Brahmaputra river has been named as Dihang over there, so that's why Dihang has been mentioned. So that is why I have told Himalaya has been located from Indus river to Brahmaputra river. Okay children, so now I will call it out. Beside the longitudinal divisions, the Himalaya have been divided into bases of the ranges from west to east. These are the all divisions from western part to eastern part, right? And it has been traditionally known, demarcated by the river valleys. For example, the part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as the Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known as the regionally Kashmir or Himachal Himalaya also, from west to east respectively. Himachal Himalaya also it can be called. Right. Second portion what? Part of Himalayas lying between Satluj to Kali river is known as Kumaon Himalayas. Third division, the Kali and Teesta rivers are demarcate the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Teesta and Dihang rivers are known as the Assam Himalayas. There are regional names also of these broad categories. Find out some regional names. Acha, regional names what are? They are also definitely have their regional names, but here also no need. These names are enough only. Okay children. Acha, Brahmaputra river is making extremely eastern boundary. Now I will rub it and I will show it to you. Another parts is also there of Himalayas. Like right children, that also I will tell you what are they. I'm just rubbing it. Another parts of Himalaya is also there. Another parts of Himalaya is also there. That is our northeastern states. Whatever roughly I am drawing children, so don't take it otherwise. So roughly here only the northeastern states, the Himalayas are also located, and from Brahmaputra river is also located over there up to Arunachal Pradesh also. Okay, Brahmaputra marks the easternmost. Brahmaputra river will be marks the easternmost border. Brahmaputra. Okay. Beyond the Dihang Gorge is also there. Okay, Gorge is also there. So that Himalaya has been bent sharply. Bend means it has been twisted. Bent sharply in the eastern boundary of India. They are also known as, these northeastern state mountains are called as the Purvanchal or Purvachal. These all northeastern parts are located in the known as the Purvanchal mountains. Eastern hills and mountains. These hills are running through the northeastern states are mostly composed of strong, but here I have told the Himadri has been composed of the core mountain of granite, but here this side the in the Purvanchal there will be specific thing that is of this is made up of sandstone. Okay children, next what is there, please underline that, which is our sedimentary rock, definitely covered with the dense forest, and this area is very much fertile. This area has been covered by the dense forest, mostly the equatorial forest children has been seen over here, and here this portion rainfall will be very much. Okay, for that is also a reason of that land is very fertile, and also there will be very much high amount of rainfall. And world's highest rainfall, the Cherrapunji and all, has been located in surrounding parts over there only. Okay, so these covered with the dense forest and mostly run parallel ranges and valleys. The Purvanchal comprises comprises some specific hills. What are the Patkai hills? Please underline that. Naga hills, Mizo hills, Manipur hills, and also Manipur hills, and that is of Khashi Jaintia. This as name has not been given, that also you should mention it. Okay children, Garo Khasi Jaintia, these hills are also there. Okay, so today up to here, and also I will tell you that what are the effects of Himalayas, what are the how Himalaya is important for us. That will be, I will tell you. Himalaya has been important as like Himalaya has been extended from north side to northeastern side. So it is heighted, very much heighted, around 9 kilometer height. So 8,900 kilometer highest peak of Mount Everest. So that is just protecting us as a act as a natural boundary, which is protecting the which is protecting us from the further that any type of enemies. Secondly, it has been protecting us in the winter time from Siberia, whatever winds are coming, cold wind, it's protecting, it acts as a barrier. Okay, barrier means the border. Okay, next, monsoon winds are coming from here, this side or this side. There are two branches are there. Arabian, one will be coming from Bay of Bengal, another will be coming from Arabian Sea. So which is coming and hitting to these Himalayan mountain ranges, and further it is bringing the monsoonal rainfall. If there will not to be Himalayan mountain, we should not get this, we cannot be able to get this monsoonal rainfall. There will be so many more benefits that are Himalayan mountain ranges are very much consist of different type of medicinal plants, also dense forests also from there only we will get different type of thing like woods. We are having we are getting the resins and so many byproducts of the forest. Next, very high quality woods we are getting like shal, shagun, sesame. These are as usual. And another thing is that is of these are the main features, these are the main benefits. By this way Himalaya has been important for us. So point basis children, please remind it. For that time, thank you so much, and please watch the video, and please sanitize yourself and help your family for sanitation and maintain social distancing. Every video I'm just telling that whatever work to be given to you, that has to be done, right children? Till that time, thank you so much. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.